Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video, we'll learn about how will you handle the changing requirements in Agile. How will you handle the situations? Handling a change requirement in Agile is very challenging. During that time, what we should do is we should embrace the change because Agile is made for adaptability for change. Otherwise, we would have gone for waterfall model. We should, instead of resisting the changes, team should embrace the change and also prepare for adapting those new changes so that we can work very closely with the stakeholders. And by working with the various stakeholders and by understanding what is the impact of the new changes on our existing requirements and our existing test deliverables, our existing development things, we will have to see what is the impact, what is the significant impact of this new change. All those things we should evaluate and as well as prioritize those changing requirements. Next thing what we should do is we should work with various stakeholders to understand what is the impact and what is the priority for each of those changes. Based on that, we can make a decisions what is the impact and what is the additional efforts will be there to implement these recent changes. Everything can be handled by working closely with the various stakeholders. And also we should use agile practices as well, because if there is a change in the requirement, then definitely agile proposes certain practices like we should keep doing regularly testing, frequent testing should be there, continuous testing should be there, and also we should look on continuous integration also to adopt continuous deployment and continuous delivery mechanism. If we adopt in these agile practices, definitely we can reduce the overall impact of regular changing requirements in agile project.